The new 2024 Lancia Ypsilon Premium B-Segment Electric Hatchback presents an exquisite blend of sophistication, modernity, and eco-friendliness both inside and out. Let's delve into its interior and exterior features, setting new standards in the electric hatchback segment. Exterior. Sleek and dynamic design. The exterior of the 2024 Lancia Ypsilon electric hatchback is characterized by its sleek and dynamic design. With smooth lines, sculpted contours, and a refined silhouette, it exudes a sense of elegance and agility on the road. Distinctive front fascia. At the front, the Ypsilon features a distinctive grille with the iconic Lancia badge, flanked by sleek LED headlights that provide both style and functionality. The aerodynamic shape enhances efficiency while giving the car a bold presence. Stylish alloy wheels. The Ypsilon electric hatchback comes equipped with stylish alloy wheels that add to its premium appeal. Available in various designs and finishes, these wheels not only complement the vehicle's aesthetics but also contribute to its overall performance. Premium paint options. Lancia offers a range of premium paint options for the Ypsilon electric hatchback, allowing customers to personalize their vehicle according to their preferences. From classic solid colors to metallic finishes, there's a hue to suit every taste. Interior. Luxurious materials. Stepping inside the cabin, you're greeted by a luxurious interior crafted from high-quality materials. Soft touch surfaces, premium upholstery options, and refined trim accents create an inviting and upscale atmosphere for both driver and passengers. Modern technology. The Ypsilon electric hatchback is equipped with state-of-the-art technology features designed to enhance convenience, connectivity, and entertainment on the go. A user-friendly infotainment system with touchscreen display, smartphone integration, and voice command functionality keeps you connected and entertained throughout your journey. Comfortable seating. The interior of the Ypsilon prioritizes comfort, with ergonomically designed seats that provide ample support and cushioning, even on longer drives. Heated and ventilated seat options further enhance comfort, ensuring a pleasant driving experience in any weather conditions. Intelligent storage solutions. Despite its compact size, the Ypsilon electric hatchback offers clever storage solutions to maximize interior space and usability. Ample cargo capacity, versatile storage compartments, and folding rear seats make it easy to accommodate both passengers and luggage with ease. Overall, the new 2024 Lancia Ypsilon Premium B-Segment Electric Hatchback redefines the standards of luxury and sustainability in its class. With its sleek exterior design, luxurious interior amenities, and advanced electric powertrain, it offers a truly exceptional driving experience that's both stylish and environmentally conscious.